What's good, YouTube? I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the PHARRELL NMD Hu in the pink glow colorway. This is just one of the 3 pairs that dropped as a part of the Holi collection. They were designed as a tribute to India's Holi Festival, literally known as the Festival of Colors. The very first thing you notice is the powder dye finish along with the pastel pinks across the knitted mesh upper. There are some hits of 3M in the laces, which you guys will see in the photos at the end of the video. One of my favorite things about this sneaker is how it's detailed with the matching marbleized inserts. Not sure what language that is, but if I had to take a wild guess, I'd just say it red species, just like the other sneaker. Overall, I think it's a really dope concept. I'll throw in some photos at the very end of the Holi Festival itself, just so you guys can see where the inspiration for this collection came from.